Morning, my friends. In today's video, we want to discuss about types of cameras in the history of photography. This is the first time we reach this topic, and there's so many things to learn about. We'll see each type of cameras in some criterias, including 1. Technology, the main technology used in the camera. 2. Image medium, the medium used to store images. 3. Camera size, the physical size of the camera, affecting portability. 4. Portability, the ease of moving the camera. 5. Image quality, a relative assessment of the image quality produced. 6. Adjustability, the flexibility in adjusting settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. 7. Lens type, whether the lens is fixed or interchangeable. 8. Cost, the price of the camera at its peak popularity. 9. Common applications, the primary fields or purposes for using this type of camera. 10. Manufacturer, notable companies or individuals that produced or developed this type of camera. In pre-19th century, the common camera type is camera obscura with natural light usage, no image capture, very large camera size, not portable, no image quality, adjustability, lens type, or cost. Its common applications are painting, optical studies, and used by scientists, artists, handcrafted. Next, in 1839, Louis Daguerre made Daguerre-type camera with silver plate technology, silver image medium, large camera size, portable but limited, very high monochrome image quality, limited adjustability, fixed lens type, and very high cost. Its common applications are portraits, landscapes. Late in 19th century, some manufacturers like Kodak, Agfa has made box camera with roll film technology, paper film image medium, medium camera size, easily portable, medium, black and white, image quality, very limited adjustability, fixed lens type with lower cost than previous period. That's why it's common for family everyday photography. In early 20th century, some manufacturers like Rolleiflex, Mamiya have introduced TLR camera also with roll film technology, paper film image medium, medium camera size, quite portable, high, black and white, image quality, medium adjustability, interchangeable lens type which can be used for portraits and artistic photography. In mid-20th century, more manufacturers have joined the industry, and some names like Nikon, Canon, Pentax have introduced SLR camera also with roll film technology, 35mm film image medium, compact camera size, very portable, very high image quality, very versatile adjustability, interchangeable lens type which can be used for professional and journalism. The next evolution is digital camera from Sony, Canon, Nikon in late 20th century having CCD, CMOS sensor technology, digital memory, compact camera size, very portable, very high color image quality, very versatile adjustability, interchangeable lens type with many levels of costs, and can be used for all purposes or mainstream. Then, in early 21st century, Sony, Fujifilm, Olympus brought mirrorless camera to the world with digital sensor, mirrorless technology, digital memory, very compact camera size, very portable, very high color image quality, very versatile adjustability, interchangeable lens type with many levels of costs, and can be used for professional and creative purpose. At present time, we are using mostly phone camera from some big names like Apple, Samsung, Huawei. The current camera has digital sensor technology, memory card, phone storage, very small camera size, extremely portable, medium to high image quality, limited, some settings, adjustability, both fixed and interchangeable lens type with low to medium costs, and can be used for all purposes. Are there any more types of camera that you can name? Please share with us below. Thank you.